everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. Today we are going to discuss another theory part related to energy topic. This is called the payback time. So the payback time is the time it takes to cover the initial cost by means of savings. Now, whenever you install some sort of insulation in a building, it costs you a certain amount of money. Now, we need to think, is it worth to spend that much money up front? Because you're thinking, okay, how much money is it going to save me from the energy bills? So payback time is a way to quantify it, meaning to get a numerical value to see how effective this method is. Let's have a look at an example. A homeowner installs loft insulation costing £600. It reduces the energy bills by £150 per year. Just because the homeowner has now installed loft insulation, his overall energy bill in the house has gone down by £150. Calculate the payback time. So here's the formula. Payback time is equal to cost of installation. So the cost of installation here is £600 divided by annual savings is 150. So the answer here is 4 years. So what that really means is, if you think the practical side of it, the homeowner initially pays £600 out of his or her pocket. Then the energy bills go down by £150 per year. In 4 years' time, the homeowner gets the worth of their money, which means the initial cost has now been covered in terms of saving. Now, let's say this person is going to stay in this house for 15 years. Every single year after the 4th year, it's just going to save him £150 every year because the cost has been now covered by the energy bill saving. So the payback time is used to get an idea of how long is that. If the payback time is really long, that's not really good. Now, let's say, for an example, if the cost of installation is in a different example, right? In a different example, the cost of installation is £10,000 and it's going to save £100 a year. Now, you divide it and you can see it is going to take 100 years to cover the cost. Now, that's not really worth it. Who's going to be in the same house for the 100 years? So, it's really not practical. So the person has to spend £10,000 and you'll get the worth of your money, just cover the cost in 100 years. So if you live in that same house for more than 100 years, then only you get your cost and everything, then it'll become a profit. That's not really going to be practical. So that's a bad one. So you wouldn't really go for that. But 4 years, that's definitely good. Here's a question for you to try. This is a GCSE exam style question. Please try the question and I will show you the answer in a bit. A company considers 2 energy saving options. Option A, wall insulation costing £1,200, saving £200 a year. Option B, double glazed windows costing £3,000, saving £250 a year. Calculate the payback time for each option. So let's quickly do that. Part A. For option A, £1,200 divided by £200 per year, that is 6 years. For option B, £3,000 divided by £250 per year, that is 12. Option A, 6 years. Option B, 12 years. Which option is more cost effective in terms of payback time? Explain your answer. 2 marks. So we can write something like this. Option A is more cost effective as it has a shorter payback time. You can cover the cost of installation in just 6 years, whereas option B takes 12 years.